Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today Sarah's going to do a quick tutorial on how to tie your shoes.
Okay, so I have Mom's shoe right now, and I'm going to tie it. So the first thing you want to do is make an X and loop around. And Gabby taught me that you can do one of the parts and just quickly do this, because what I was doing was I was just putting it through, and that's taking a lot of time, but it takes a long time, so I just like to do it like that. Okay, so the next part you're gonna do is like make a bunny ear like this, like something like a good size like that, and you're gonna take the other string and wrap it around over your fingernail and grab it with your pointer and thumb. The next thing you're going to do is take this and push it through and grab this string. And then you're going to grab the original ribbon or tie or whatever it is, or the loop, and then you're going to pull it and you have you have your shoes tied.
Good job, Sarah.